Are you a remote worker struggling to find a healthy work routine? Well, you're not alone. Finding the right balance of work and personal life can be challenging. But don't worry, we're here to help. Step 1. Start your day with a morning routine. Wake up at a consistent time and dedicate the first hour to activities that energize you, like exercise or meditation. This will set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Step 2. Establish a designated workspace. It's important to have a clearly defined area solely for work. This will help you mentally separate work from leisure and increase focus during working hours. Step 3. Set realistic goals and prioritize tasks. Create a to-do list and focus on the most important tasks first. Avoid multitasking, as it can decrease productivity. By setting clear objectives, you'll stay motivated and accomplish more. Step 4. Take scheduled breaks. Allow yourself short breaks throughout the day to recharge. This could include stretching, taking a walk, or simply enjoying a cup of tea. It's essential to give your mind a rest to maintain productivity. Step 5. Minimize distractions. Turn off notifications that aren't work-related, and keep your workspace free from distractions. Consider using productivity apps or browser extensions to stay focused and block time-wasting websites. Step 6. Don't forget to socialize. Engage with your colleagues, whether it's through video calls or instant messaging. Virtual water cooler chats can help maintain a sense of connection and support within your remote team. Step 7. Maintain a work-life balance. Set boundaries between work and personal life. Define specific working hours and stick to them. This will prevent burnout and ensure you have time for family, hobbies, and relaxation. Thanks for watching our video. We hope these tips will help you build a healthy work routine as a remote worker. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and guides.